Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. Today we are going to take a close-up look at this Samsung CF390 27-inch curved monitor. Initially, I was skeptical about curved monitors, but when this monitor went on sale at a ridiculously low price of $200, I couldn't resist the deal and bought it. To my surprise, I actually like the curvature a lot. This is my first curved monitor, and I think there'll be a lot more to come. Unlike other ultra-widescreen curved monitor, this Samsung CF390 curved monitor has a 16:9 aspect ratio. It can be used in portrait mode settings, which is perfect for editing Word documents and read news articles. By the way, I also made another video with this monitor, discussing aspect ratios and curved monitors. Follow this link or find the link in the description down below. Okay, now let's take a look at its physical feature. This monitor has a thin profile, minimalist design. It only has HDMI and RGB input ports, no DVI. The good thing is that there is a headphone jack output playing the audio signal from the HDMI port. And finally, it also has a Kensington lock. At the bottom back of the monitor, we will find this joystick button. In fact, this is the only button throughout the entire monitor. I'll discuss more about this button when I show you the menu options. This monitor is compatible with VESA mount. You may want to note that the VESA mount is a 75x75 mount, not the 100x100 mount, and the screws are not supplied with this monitor. And this is how it looks at the back when mounted on a monitor arm. The joystick button at the back is also the on-off button. When we first switch on the monitor, we are greeted with this menu, telling us the eye saver mode status and a quick shortcuts actions. Left and right for volume control, up and down for brightness. As for the actual menu, the interface is very well designed and user-friendly. We go left to choose our input source and go right to set the eye saver mode. And we go up for the main menu settings. When we enter the main menu settings, we use the joystick to navigate everything. Press into the center joystick buttons to select any options, and push left to exit the menu. There is a HDMI black level settings. This black level settings makes the black more black when we select the low option. The normal option means it will display the normal black signal sent by the computer. This monitor also has a gaming mode, which in my testing enhances all the colors and makes everything more vibrant. Okay, left and left to return to the main menu. Now with the eye saver mode, I use this at night when I want to reduce the blue light glare. It's really smart to have this menu on the right side, instead of buried down somewhere in the main menu. The last thing I want to show you is there is no physical switch to turn off the monitor. We have to select the bottom icon to switch off. And off is kind of like a standby, rather than the actual turning off of the monitor. This blue light will light up all the time while the monitor is off. So take note of this if you are having this monitor in your bedroom. It might annoy you when you turn off all the lights. Okay, on to the accessories. These are all the accessories that come with this monitor. There is a picture instruction to show us how to install the monitor stand. And this is the power cable for Australia power socket. And this is the power brick. It's smart of Samsung to externalize the power brick, making the design of the monitor thin and minimalistic. I hide this power brick under my desk cable management tray, which is really convenient. Next is the HDMI cable, and finally the monitor stand. Now, a word of caution about this monitor stand. I do not install this monitor stand if you intend to mount the monitor on a monitor arm. Because in order to remove this monitor stand, we need to unscrew and dismantle the entire back cover of the monitor. Luckily, Mosotech reviewed this monitor and warned me about his experience. He actually installed the stand and had to go through the steps of dismantling the back cover. I will leave links to his review in the description down below. He did a wonderful review of this monitor too. And lastly, this is the unboxing. These are how the accessories and monitor came in the box if you were to buy it in Australia. I bought this monitor from JB Hi-Fi. There are some picture instructions on the box. This pack is the paperwork, which is packed together with the power cable and the HDMI cable. And next we have the power brick. And finally, the monitor stand. They packed everything pretty well, and the monitor itself is very light. I can even hold it with one hand. Like I mentioned earlier, this monitor has a really thin and minimalist design, which I like a lot. If this is the first time you are considering buying a curved monitor, remember to check out my other video explaining the difference between using a flat screen monitor versus a curved screen. Okay, that's it for now. Please remember to like this video if you find it useful. I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe and share this video, as I'm trying to grow my channel. Look after yourself. I'll see you in the next video.